You've heard it said before, but it's worth repeating, that while you're a student here at UACCM, you are part of our family. And as such, we are committed to fostering a culture of community, of being there for each other when we really need it. And as a way of staying true to that commitment, the UACCM Phi Theta Kappa student organization has installed the Timberwolf Pantry. Let me tell you more about it. The Timberwolf Pantry is located on the first floor of the library complex, right there in the small lounge behind the stairs. There's also a second pantry located in room 125 of the Kirk building. As long as these buildings are open, the pantries are open for you every semester. So please, feel free to utilize them if you need to. That's what it's there for. The Timberwolf Pantry provides food and basic hygiene items for anyone in our UACCM family who needs assistance. Food items include both ready-to-eat items such as canned ravioli or tuna, and meal packs such as noodles, sauce, and canned vegetables. Hygiene products can include items such as deodorant, toothbrushes, toothpaste, personal care products, and other items students may really need but struggle to find money for in their weekly budget. If you would like to donate some items or funds to the Timberwolf Pantry, contact any Phi Theta Kappa member or the faculty advisor here on campus. One good deed deserves another, and by donating to the Timberwolf Pantry, you're helping your fellow students. So, until next time, this is Tom McLeod for McLeod's Minute signing off. Carry on.